Sanger DNA sequencing is an enzymatic reaction. Hi there, I'm Punitawadi here. I'm Fatin Naziha binti Rosli here. Sanger DNA sequencing is developed by Frederick Sanger and his colleagues during 1970s. Sanger used D-deoxynucleacids, which is called ddNTPs, and deoxynucleacids, which is dNTPs, together in the amplification of DNA during the polymerase chain reaction, which is PCR. Polymerase DNA is usually single-stranded DNA, which can be produced from plasmid cloning vectors that containing the origin of replication from a single-stranded bacteriophage, such as M13 or FD. The primer is complementary to the region in the vector adjacent to the multiple cloning site. Sequencing is done by having 4 separate reactions, one for each DNA basis. All 4 reactions contain the normal dNTPs, but each reaction contains one of the ddNTPs. In each reaction, DNA polymerase start creating the second strand beginning at the primer. When DNA polymerase reach a base for which some ddNTP is present, the chain will either terminate if the ddNTP is added or continue if the corresponding dNTP is added. Which one happens is random based on the ratio of dNTP to ddNTP in the tube. Separate all the second strands by gel electrophoresis. Read the sequence as the bands containing labeled strands. Application using Sanger DNA sequencing such as methylation analysis, de novo sequencing, targeted sequencing, next generation sequencing validation, microbial sequencing, mitochondrial sequencing, gene expression such as serial analysis of gene expression, and high coverage gene expression profiling.